Laugh out now.
There's a very hot topic in the country right now. Ladies and gentlemen, a big up to Zesco load shedding. Make some noise for them. Make some noise for Zesco. You know, thanks to load shedding, thanks to Zesco, that men have become creative now. Very creative. These days, you receive those text messages, from Zesco, do you? Yes. Courtesy of Zesco. What happens now with men is that when he receives a text message at 22 hours from a girlfriend, he will just look at it and go like, Zesco. Yeah. Sure, this time. It's okay. Men have even changed the way they save their girlfriends. Now they save their girlfriends in their phone at Zesco. Then now they are using coded language to communicate with their girlfriends. Imagine a girlfriend wants to send a text to the boyfriend who's married to say, can we meet on Friday? They'll send it in a coded way, and it will go like this. The girlfriend is saved as Zesco. Dear client, kindly note that there will be load shedding this Friday from 18 hours to 22 hours. Thank you.